Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Right there, sir, driver. Right there, sir. Right, blood clot down there, so me tell you for stop. What the fuck you come down there so far?
No, flag one, sir, no.
Reverse the car, man.
No like you're Jamaican, you know.
Sir, can I car somewhere, please? You pass the fucking house again. Can I car somewhere, please? Right, yes, sir. Where you go? Right, yes, sir. I say right, yes, sir. Let me tell you blood clot car, man. No tip. 0 blood clot, sir. Where you come out of this blood clot?
Facebook hero, back at it again. And you know when me come for talk, And you know when me come for talk, I may look off a bare food, you know, baby, I work. You see me? You have to look off a bare food, clean and nice. You see me? Clean and nice. You see me? Make bed come home, come get something from work. You see me? Bed come home and get something from you. Make one run with it. Make one run with it. Because you know say it's sober to look good. Pour a little drinks today. Make Bear get little drinks. Yeah. Bear come home and get little drinks. Yeah, you will say so. Ah! Ooh! You see me? Finishing touch. Do one more finishing touch. Yeah. That's the best.
Daddy, after I go to school today, the teacher can give me some porridge. But I can't tell mom. Wow. The porridge bone stuck on my throat. Yeah? So what you do? I tell you something, daddy I cough out the bone all long. People see me I eat that. Then people help me.
People, look where me come to.
Yo, this what the man them say a girl when she come up in the club and be like, big butty girl, good evening. I can see that your chicken needs seasoning. I said, big butty girl, good evening. You can see that your chicken needs seasoning. Flavor! Oh, no. Come on, Bobby Bum.
No.
Can't believe it happened like that, dog. Trust me. Hold on there, somebody call me. I'm a mother, I have to take it. Hello?
Paul, me need you to pick me up from work.
Mama, I can't do it right now. Call Lisa and I think she's
She the woman with her picnic. Imagine, I call you and ask if you come pick me up and you come for call somebody else. Me, who you call for pay car insurance sometimes.
But mommy, I pay back more time.
It's not about you paying back. Me, who you call when you need to pay for your tire them. Me, who you call when you need oil change and all the money. You're wicked. You know what? Goodbye.
Hello?
Hello, God bless.
What time you want me to pick you?
Oh, you can come in the next 5 minutes. I'm going to have 5 other friends more you drop off for me here.
5 other friends, mommy?
Yes. You don't worry about that. With the help of the good Lord, we'll figure out a way and make them fit.
Yo, there's a new song to you here, dog. New song? Who that? By Rankin Pumpkin. I'm here. Right.
Emperor Haile Selassie I said, the basic human right must be equally guaranteed to all people without regard to race. One love.
Monster man Clay! Need a sexy body girl right now! What you say a while ago? But you want a sexy body girl?
Boy, just want a girl. The girl who want a clown like me, mommy.
You say you want a sexy body girl? I bet you can't write sexy body girl on one piece of paper. Is what that tweet you have in your hand? But master, blood, no. I want to be a bad man. Me tired to act like a girl and a sissy, mommy. Blood, master, blood, clot. Why? 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 You want that bad man? Me show you bad man. No, mommy, please, please, please.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.